Did you know that Sifakas can't walk like most mammals? Instead, they dance. One incredible thing about Sifakas is their unique locomotion. They move by leaping from tree to tree using powerful hind legs. This jumping style is not just efficient, but it looks like a graceful dance, earning them the nickname dancing lemurs. Not only that, but Sifakas are also highly social animals, living in groups that communicate through a series of vocalizations and gestures. Their close-knit family bonds contribute to their survival in Madagascar's forests. What do you find most fascinating about lemurs? Share your thoughts.